Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm James Anderson. I've sorted the best wireless routers forever, including budget-friendly to high-value devices. Please hit like, share and subscribe to my channel for upcoming best product reviews. Thanks. Your home network enables devices like computers and printers to communicate inside your house, and it also allows your computers, phones, game consoles, and other devices to connect to the internet. While the modem is the component that actually connects to the internet, the wireless router is actually the linchpin of the entire system that connects everything together. Choosing the right wireless router can mean the difference between lightning-fast download speeds and frustratingly slow data transfer, a rock-solid network, or constantly dropped connections, and even basic compatibility with your latest devices. Wireless router technology might seem dry and complicated, or even difficult to understand, but you can make an informed decision if you're able to wrap your head around a few key concepts. For example, you need to select a wireless router that supports the standards required by your wireless devices, and it's important to understand the difference between the two main wireless router frequencies. Other features like range, speed, and ports all impact the usability of a router and can have a huge effect on your overall experience and satisfaction. Select a router that doesn't have enough bands to support all of the users and devices in your house, for example, and you'll set yourself up for a disappointing experience. Best overall, Netgear Orbi Whole Home Wi-Fi System. With a much more living room-friendly aesthetic, the Orbi is not your typical Netgear router, but don't let its good looks fool you. The venerable networking company's first fully mesh wireless router can deliver solid and reliable wireless performance for every corner of the largest homes. The Orbi incorporates tri-band Wi-Fi, with two of those Wi-Fi bands available to provide speeds of up to 866 megabits per second to your 5 GHz devices, and 400 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz side. The remaining band, the second 5 GHz channel, offers a dedicated backhaul pathway to keep traffic moving at top speeds between all of the units. As our testing found, this ensures that you still get maximum Wi-Fi speeds from anywhere in your home, regardless of whether you're connected to the main router or one of the Wi-Fi satellites. This ultimately means you can get enough range to easily cover a 5,000 square foot home, and as an added bonus, it also has a staggering number of LAN ports for a mesh system, with 3 on the base unit plus. For more on each of the satellites, and they all support gigabit Ethernet, so you can easily hardwire in a TV or game console for maximum performance. Number 2 is Best Security Router Asus RTAX88U. Asus has a well-deserved reputation for building some of the most secure and feature-rich wireless routers, and the RTAX88U continues that strong tradition with a flagship device that offers the latest and greatest Wi-Fi technologies along with solid range and performance, plus all of Asus' cutting-edge security features. Combining 4 powerful beam-forming antennas with 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6 support, the RTAX88U can comfortably cover a 5,000 square foot home from a single central point, offering up a total of 6 gigabits per second of bandwidth for all of your devices. This means you'll get great performance on even the busiest home networks. Around back, there's a healthy array of 8 gigabit Ethernet ports, letting you hardwire in any PCs, gaming consoles, or other devices where you need maximum performance or security, and dual USB 3.1 ports offer the ability to share files or media across your network. Asus RTAX88U also bundles an AI Protection Pro powered by Trend Micro, offering malware protection, and an intelligent firewall that will protect everything from your PCs and smartphones to your smart home devices from a variety of internet threats, and there are also advanced parental controls, VPN server and client support, and more. Number 3 is Best Mesh Router Aero Pro. If you need a wireless router that can cover your whole home without making you fiddle with a bunch of advanced Wi-Fi settings, then the Aero Pro Mesh Wi-Fi system is the one to get. The full Aero Pro system comes with a trio of tri-band routers that collectively offer up to 6,000 square feet of mesh network coverage without slowing down your internet speeds, and our testing showed that even somebody with zero networking knowledge can get the whole system up and running in a few minutes, thanks to the really intuitive mobile app. Aero Pro is also one of the first Apple HomeKit-enabled wireless routers, which means that users of Apple's home automation platform can take advantage of an intelligent firewall that automatically secures HomeKit-compatible smart home and IoT devices from internet threats. The single 2.4 GHz and dual 5 GHz channels with MU-MIMO support on the main station give you enough bandwidth for all of your devices, and each station can handle up to 128 wireless clients. You can add as many additional Aero units as you need to extend your network around your home, and mix and match different Aero devices, from adding more full Aero Pro devices, each of which will provide a pair of gigabit Ethernet ports and tri-band Wi-Fi, to the more affordable Aero beacons which plug discreetly into wall outlets to offer 1,500 square feet each of dual-band Wi-Fi coverage, although they lack the wired Ethernet ports. One word of caution, however, is that as great as Aero's system is, it conspicuously lacks support for the PPPoE protocol that's used by many DSL providers. So if this is your ISP, we can't recommend Aero unless you're willing to change providers or you have the advanced networking skills needed to work around it.
Number 4 is best for gaming Asus GTAX 11000. Asus has long been known for its high-performance wireless routers for gamers, and right now its flagship GTAX 11000 is the cream of the crop, with blazing 802.11 AX Wi-Fi 6 speeds that can reach 10 gigabits per second, provided of course you have the necessary Wi-Fi 6 adapters on your PC or gaming console. Even with older Wi-Fi 5802.11 AC devices, however, the 8-antenna array provides great throughput thanks to the usual beamforming and MU-MIMO technologies. For gamers who prefer to jack in, not only are there the usual 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, but there's also a special 2.5 gigabits per second dedicated gaming port, so you should have no problem saturating even the fastest fiber connections, and thanks to its 1.8 GHz quad-core CPU, it offers the kind of low latency that serious gamers demand. In addition to all of Asus' usual great general security and networking features, the GTAX 11000 also includes support for the Double-T-Fast Gamers private network, which automatically keeps you connected to the fastest servers for popular online games, plus VPN fusion so you can keep your VPN up and running without slowing down your gaming traffic. While the GTAX 11000 doesn't come cheap, it's well worth the price of entry, since its sheer power and Wi-Fi 6 support makes it a future-proof router for serious gamers that will keep you well ahead of the curve for years to come, with enough power to spare to keep all of the non-gamers in your household happy too. Number 5 is Best Technology Netgear Nighthawk RAX80. Netgear's Nighthawk RAX80 is a cutting-edge wireless router that was one of the first out of the gate with support for the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, which means it's had time to both mature and prove itself as a solid 802.11 AX router that paves the way for the future of home networking. But it's also backward compatible with Wi-Fi 5802.11 AC and older standards, so there's no need to rush out and upgrade everything to 802.11 AX right away. That said, if you own one of the latest Apple iPhone or Samsung Galaxy smartphones, you've already got at least one device with Wi-Fi 6 support baked in, meaning you'll get more reliable performance even with a lot of devices on your network, so you'll be far less likely to get dropped calls when walking around the house with your smartphone, and the improved efficiency of Wi-Fi 6 also means better battery life for your mobile devices.